She needs to have the rest of it like undone.
I know, I'm gonna have to step into it. Come here, baby girl. Let me help you out so you're not eating skin. I'll give it right back. Here you go. This is what you call dinner on the go. You have a banana? That's a banana. Hello, banana girl. Are you all done? No, you just want to show it to me.
Hey, Leah. Leah.